Go again.
That was 5.92. Stand by. There it is. 112.
AK-130. The AK-103 assault rifle is a derivative of the AK-74M chambered for the 7.62 x 39 mm M43 round, similar to the older AKM. The AK-103 can be fitted with a variety of sights, including night vision and telescopic sights, plus a knife bayonet or a grenade launcher. It uses plastic components where possible instead of wood or metal, with such components being the pistol grip, handguards and stock. Design details. Protective coatings ensure excellent corrosion resistance of metal parts. Forearm, magazine, butt stock and pistol grip are made of high-strength plastic. The AK-104 is a compact version of the AK-103. It has a muzzle brake derived from the older AK-74U combined with a shorter barrel. It is also chambered for 7.62 x 39 mm ammunition.
Я не люблю пенал.
Magazines. The current issue steel reinforced made true black non-reflective surface finished 7.62 x 39 mm 30 round magazines, fabricated from ABS plastic, weigh 0.25 kilograms, 0.55 pounds, empty. Early steel AK-47 magazines are 9.75 in, 248 mm, long, and the later ribbed steel AKM and newer plastic 7.62 x 39 mm magazines are about 1 in, 25 mm, shorter. The transition from steel to mainly plastic magazines yielded a significant weight reduction and allow a soldier to carry more rounds for the same weight. Production history. Designer Mikhail Kalashnikov designed 1994. Manufacturer Kalashnikov concern produced 1994 present number built 250000 plus variants AK-104. Specifications. Mass 3.4 kilograms, 7.5 pounds, empty 3.6 kilograms, 7.9 pounds, with empty magazine length 943 mm, 37.1 in, stock extended 705 mm, 27.8 in, stock folded barrel length 415 mm, 16.3 in. Users: Russia, Ethiopia, India, Iran, Libya, Namibia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Venezuela. The AK-103 is the third generation of the Kalashnikov assault rifles, a thorough upgrade of the world-known AK-47 and AKM. The AK-103 has plastic folding butt stock that ensures convenience on march, during transportation and landing operations. The weapon can fire with butt stock folded. Forearm, magazine, butt stock, and pistol grip are made of high-strength plastic and feature great durability to stress. Protective coatings ensure excellent corrosion resistance of metal parts. The AK-103 can carry a 40 mm underbarrel grenade launcher or a knife bayonet. There is a side dovetail mounting rail for optical, collimator or night sights. New muzzle brake provides for cyclic fire accuracy and further reduces muzzle climb and burst recoil. Complete quality control system and all-round test programs make the AK-103 the ultimate world standard in 7.62.
Да.
Вы готовы? Поехали.
Times thanks for watching. Times please like this video. Times share this video. Times and times subscribe this channel.